I've had, I don't take medication for high blood pressure because I don't believe in medication. But always had high blood pressure. And of late, my blood pressure has suddenly come down, and I've been chanting Ashwina and other things for blood pressure, and it's helped. And I just want to say in general to everyone over here that, just learning with Swetaji is a wonderful experience. And besides the switch words, I know this is a course for switch words, which are, so beautiful. And I like to really chant the ones which are for peace and for getting, for our soul journey. But there are other courses that she does, like Moksha Pata, which have completely transformed my life. And at the age of 68 now, I kind of look forward to it because I feel it's helping to round off my life, to understand my whole journey and to make the whole life purpose so beautiful. So I must say that it's a wonderful experience to be associated with her and to do to learn with Shwetaji. She's an amazing person. She is very intelligent, and the vast knowledge she has is just amazing. So I want to say I'm happy that I could share this much. Thank you.
Thank you, Monaji. Thank you.